Run through is a phrasal verb with a number of different meanings. The literal meaning of this phrasal verb is to quickly pass through somewhere. The woman forgot to get her makeup before she left the shopping centre. Ugh! I have to run back through the whole shopping centre to get to the makeup stand. The firefighters saved the family from the burning house, but the pet dog was still inside. Oh no! Max is still inside. Don't worry. I'll quickly run through the house and find him before the fire gets any worse. The farmer looked out on his animals and thought his horses in particular were a beautiful sight. I love watching my horses as they run through the field. It can also mean to read, discuss, or repeat something. The manager begins the meeting by speaking about the main points from the previous meeting. I'd like to run through the minutes from the previous meeting and touch on the key points. The company trainer explains what's coming up next for the training day. I'll be running through the policies really quickly. Then we can move on to the good stuff. The successful woman makes a reference to where it all started for her. Every day my father ran through what I did at school. It really helped me in the long run. The movie director isn't completely happy with the scene. Cut! We need to run through that scene again. And action. A manager is discussing a report with an employee that is about to be delivered to a client. Would you mind running through that again and making sure all the information is correct? It can also mean to use up carelessly. He spent the large inheritance he received after he lost both his parents. How did I run through all that money so quickly? A parent goes food shopping on Friday, and by Monday there is almost no food left in the house. How do my children manage to run through so much food in one weekend? So, to sum it all up, run through can mean to quickly pass through somewhere, like he counted down the days until she was due back as thoughts of his wife ran through his mind. To read, discuss, or repeat something, like the waiter ran the couple through the main course options for the evening. And to use up carelessly, like the builders ran through all of the supplies quickly, so we will need to place bigger orders in the future. Don't forget to like or comment on our video. For downloadable comics and mind maps, write-ups and more, visit www.EnglishLogica.com and join our growing community of English learners.